we got a call from the Martinez family who wants to sell their home and buy another home that's bigger and in a better neighborhood. The problem is they're self-employed and don't show enough income on their taxes to qualify for the price range that they want. So today we're going to break down their scenario and see if we can help them qualify for the bigger house they want in the $1.5 million price range that they want. Let's see if we get out. Hey, how you doing? Al Rivera here, and welcome to another episode of Al the Loan Guy. In today's episode, we're going to see if we can help the Martinez family qualify for a house in the $1.5 million price range so that they could sell their home and move to the bigger house in the better neighborhood. The problem is they're self-employed and they don't show enough income on their taxes to qualify for the home loan that they want. Today, we're going to break down their scenario, we're going to go over their challenges, and we're going to see if we could help them qualify for the $1.5 million price range that they need to buy the bigger house they want in the neighborhood that they want. So when we got the call from the Martinez family, first we wanted to see what we were working with. They have 690 credit scores. They already own their home and have a mortgage. Now, if they sold after everything, they'd walk away with about $500,000. They're self-employed and don't show enough income to qualify for the home loan they want. Now, the question is, how could we help them buy the $1.5 million house they want? So let's break this down and see what we're working with. First, let's start with their credit. They have a 690 credit score, a car payment, a few small credit cards, which is great. Next, they said after they sell their house and pay off their mortgage, they'll walk away with about $500,000, and this is also great. The only challenge is they're self-employed and don't show enough income on their taxes to qualify for the home loan that they want. So in a nutshell, they have good credit and $500,000 to work with. Their only challenge is their income. They don't show enough income to qualify for the home loan that they really want. So how would we solve this? How could we help them qualify for the $1.5 million house that they want? The good news is we have a loan program designed for customers just like the Martinez family. The minimum credit score requirement for this program is only 640, and they have that. It requires only 20% down, which they have that. And because their credit score is above 690, it's only asking for 12 months of reserves, which they have that too. Plus, they have enough to cover the typical closing costs associated with purchasing a home. So when we put this together, they had the 690 credit score to qualify. They were able to put together the 20% down, which they got from selling their current home, and they walked away with $500,000. They needed 12 months of reserves in the bank, which they now had from the sale of their home. So were they able to qualify for the $1.5 million house they wanted? Yes. And they bought the $1.5 million house they wanted. And here's the best part. They got the monthly payment they could afford, and they had plenty of extra money left over from the sale of their home to tuck away for their future. So if you or someone you know has been wanting to sell and buy their next home, and they're having trouble qualifying for a home loan because they can't verify their income, or maybe they just want a second opinion, week it out. Call or text me with your scenario, and let's get you qualified today. I'm Al the Loan Guy. You have a great day.